Welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we're going to discuss about the stock chart of Cleanspark INC. Although if you're looking at the overall structure of the chart, you will see a flat trend, but there is enough volatility to play with, and if you can understand this overall structure, you can gain at least a huge amount of money, or if not huge, a good amount of money over a period of time. So let us discuss about the opportunity. But before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, hit on the subscription button, also hit on the notification bell along with the all button to get my updated video notification. So let me tell you one thing very quickly, that this chart is indeed very volatile, and the moves which you can see, it's completely visible that the moves are very risky. So if there is any upside or downside, it would be very big. So you need to plan accordingly for both upside as well as the downside. So the risk and reward, both the things are the same, and the same in a way that this is going to be a volatile ride. So you should understand and you should plan yourself accordingly. So on the downside, you have three levels to look at. Primarily, you have 9.18, which is your immediate support, and going on the downside, you have $7 as your next support, and you have your stop loss at 5.5. So these are the three most important support level, whereas 5.5 is going to be a stop loss. So do not go below $5.5 on the downside, and only if, so this is the condition, only if the stock continues to sustain above 9.18, then only we will have an uptrend going forward. Okay, so this is the condition which one must adhere, and if the stock chart flows above 9.818, then we will have some trading moves or upcoming trading moves going forward. So what do we have here? Above 9.18 is the question. Now primarily, if the stock continues to trade above 9.18, we then have 11.44, and then we have 13.22. so these are your two big or two immediate targets that we are going to look at if the stock continues to sustain above 9.18. Now beyond 13.22, the range will expand, and the range will expand to $23. So there will be a $10 expansion beyond 13.22. so if you go below 13.22, there will be a range expansion, as you can see, towards 23.6. and after 23.6, what do we have here? We have the upper end of the range. So what do we have beyond 23.60 is $42, and you have $51. So as you can see, there is enough volatility to play with, and going forward, if the trend plays out, then we will have a big range towards $42 or even $50. Now the big thing is, what about the risk? As you can see, the moves are quite swift. As I've already told you in my opening remarks, the moves are quite swift. These are some very big moves that we have seen. So in this kind of environment, one should understand the risk associated with it, because if you are on the wrong foot and overall the trend is flat, but even though if you are on the wrong foot, then you will make a big loss. The good thing is you are at the lowest end of the range, and if things works out, the probability here is the stock will move higher. So this is your opportunity, or this is the positive aspect of this particular chart. But still you have the support levels 9.18, 7.15 and 5.55. so use this as a tool. Use this as a tool which will help you to save your losses, not only your losses but also your profit as well as your invested amount. And once the stock started going higher, just tell your stop loss. Okay, have a stop loss so that you can save your profit, also your losses. So do understand it, and if the trend works out, you will have a big target. And let me tell you one more thing, that do not forget to take your profit back. Okay, this is not only a trading. Do not think about what will happen after 25 years. If you're making a good profit in a short term, please take it back and then plan accordingly for your next trade. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.